Okay guys, so next thing we're going to do is work on routes, and it's fairly quick and simple. It's going to be a quick video, so what we can do is create a routes file here in our main tree in the JS folder, and call it routes.js. Simple enough, and we're going to import it into our index.js file, main file. So we'll say import routes from same folder, routes. Great. Okay, we're also going to need a couple things from React Router. So we shall say import, we're going to need router, capital R, router, and browser history. Cool. From React Router. Okay, now let's put these to work. We're going to get app out of here, and instead we're going to say router, not route here, router, and history. It's going to come from browser history. Also, we're going to import our routes. Well, we already did import it, we're going to reference them, and we'll say routes equals routes. Everything looks good. Cool. Save that, close it. Now what we can do is open up our routes file and import React from React, and we're going to import some stuff from React Router as well. We are going to need, what do we need? Route, and might as well import index route from React Router. Excuse me. Then we also, let's get some components. We'll get app from components folder. And I think we're also going to be using another one, but we'll do that in a sec. Export default route, path is our default /route, and component's going to be app. App, great. Let's close this up. Okay. Now what we can do is, well, we haven't created this yet, but we will. Say import articles home, which is going to be our index page, essentially our index route, from components articles home. You can call this whatever you want. I'm not good at names, of course, so I went with articles home, something simple, just your index page. We're going to display all of our articles here. For some reason, can't find it. Oh, because I haven't created it. Great. We'll say articles home.jsx. Save that. Let's create this. Let's make it a class-based component. Say import React. There's a lot of boilerplate, but it's worth it, right? We need component from React. Okay, we'll export default class articles home. Extends component. Okay, render method. And we'll have a return in here. And we'll just add our div. Nice, something simple. Let's just say articles homepage in here, just so that we can differentiate. Great, let's save that. And we're getting an error. Not sure what's going on. Can't find it. Everything looks okay here. I think, okay, it might be the extension, so let's try just .js. Okay, and alright, that seems to have worked. Cool. Okay, so let's go back to our routes file. We'll say index route, and the component is our articles home. Cool. Save that. Great. Okay, so we're pretty much all set up here, except we need to add the ability for nested routes. So we'll say, let's just add a little bit something here just to differentiate, and we'll say this dot props dot children, so that it renders anything underneath it. Cool. Save that. Now, what did our articles homepage say? It said this is the articles homepage. So when we look at this in the browser, we should have this is our app and articles homepage. Cool. So refresh, and awesome. Good to go here. And you can see it's directed at our slash index page, so our default slash page. Great. Now what we're going to do is, you can delete this. Basically, it's for if you want to put like a nav bar or something like this in there, that's fine. A bootstrap nav. Go ahead and do that. That's what that's for. Now I do want to make sure that our bootstrap is working, so in our div here I'm going to add a class of container and see what happens. So cool, it looks like our bootstrap's working. That's great. Let's wrap it up here. In the next video we are going to be talking about actions and reducers. We'll see you there.